here, wanted to share a little bit about the disrepair of this reciprocating lathe that I've been working on. Definitely a challenge for me building this machine. So this adjusts to maybe 3 feet in length. And honestly, that was like one of the weirdest things about this thing, is that I got to the point where I could really start to cut, and I didn't have any green wood. I'm gonna need to source some wood. You can see it spins okay, but once you put all the different forces on it, it kind of walks off a little bit. The bed of the lathe is pretty solid. There's some bracing on the legs. I tried different kinds of bracing on the side to actually house like either the pole or the reciprocating bungee, or the bungee that holds the rope that goes up and down and then wraps around with like a foot pedal that then reciprocates the rope and then therefore spins the spindle. What I'm really interested in is a bowl. And so there's like a mandrel that needs to be fabricated. There's specialized hook tools that a lot of people actually forge themselves.
To carve out the inside and the outside radius of the bowl. So I'm gonna forge.
I don't have a whole bunch of different stuff.
Kind of cool thing that I learned was that I was trying to just heat this up with propane torch, and it just couldn't get hot enough, but my cob oven was able to get it hot enough where I could bend this over on a railroad anvil. And so I think there's kind of some cool potential to maybe do my own forge. I took it even one step further by taking an old Allen tool, putting it in the cob oven, and then hammered it out, and it bent and it started to flatten. I almost think that I could use the cob oven to draw out that hook tool. Ultimately, what I like to do with Folktopia is focus on projects that are meditative and are just enjoyable. And what I'm trying to achieve with the lathe project is to get it to work, to get it to function right, to hear that cutting sound that is efficient, and to have some shavings come off of the wood. I'd like to be able to make something, but it's not really so much the end result. It's getting it to a point where it's working correctly. So we'll see where it goes. That's the update on the lathe project.